Good morning students, myself Chayanika Bordoloi, Assistant Professor, NEF College of Pharmacy. Today I am going to discuss about the topic ecosystem. So ecology, if we see, all living organism, whether it is plant, animal or human being, are surrounded by the environment and they need to survive in the environment. Each living component interacts with non-living components for their basic requirements in the ecosystem. So definition, if you see, the study of interactions among organism or group of organisms with their environment. There are mostly two components in the environment. One is biotic component, that is living organisms, and another are abiotic components, that are non-living organisms. So ecosystem is basically functional unit of ecology. The term ecosystem is coined from Greek word that means study of home. So definition, basically it will explain about the interactions between living and non-living organisms in environment. Example, we can say animal cannot synthesize their own food, they have to depend for their food on plants. So type of ecosystem, there are three type of ecosystem. One is terrestrial ecosystem that relate to land. Example, we can say grassland, forest ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem, under this freshwater ecosystem, and which we can divide into running water ecosystem and standing water ecosystem. And another one is the marine ecosystem, that example is seas and sea source, etc. So another one type of ecosystem is man-made or artificial ecosystem, which are operated and maintained by human being. So example, we can say croplands, gardens, etc. So structure of an ecosystem, basically structure of ecosystem is contained with abiotic components and biotic components, that is living and non-living organisms. So biotic components are consist of all the living organisms in the community, which we can example say plants, animals, microorganisms, etc. Abiotic components, we can say all the non-living components. Example, we can say climate, soil, water, air, etc. Physical components, we can consider energy, climate, raw materials, etc., which are useful for the growth and maintenance of their member. Example, same, that water, air, soil, etc. Chemical components, these are the resources of essential nutrients. Example, we can say organic substances like protein, lipids, carbohydrates, and inorganic substances like macro and micro elements. So function of ecosystem, we need to understand clearly the nature of ecosystem functioning, how it is working. So function is basically allow flow of energy and cycling of nutrients. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.